My name is Marni, and from here on out, I am going to be your very own personal wing girl. It's my job to give you the no BS, honest truth about what women want versus what they say they want. And I put up new videos every Tuesday, so keep an eye out for my videos. In this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 simple things men who are successful with women do that you are not doing, at least not yet. Once you hear how easy these things are to do, you are going to start doing them yourself. And when you start applying what I show you in this video, I promise you will have women fighting for your attention and approaching you on the regular. So keep watching. I got an email from an email coaching client of mine named Paul, who was very frustrated that he was not having the same success with women as some of his less attractive friends. So here's what he wrote to me. He wrote, Marni, I have this one guy friend that I go out with every time who's not very good looking, and he's able to make women approach him. I honestly don't understand it or what he does. I'm better looking than him, I dress better than him, and I have a better job. Why don't women do this to me? And how can I get women to approach me? To which I responded, Paul, there are 1,000,001 ways to go about making this happen for you. But I want to turn this into a little exercise for you so that what I tell you will have an impact on you and you can make change, which means I need your help. I want you to tell me what you think it is about your friend and what he does to get this result from women. Why do women approach him? To which Paul responded, all right, Marni, I thought about this for a long time and here's what I came up with. Number 1, he's really good at talking to people, not just women. He can start conversations with everyone. Number 2, he's kind of mysterious. He doesn't really share a lot of details about his life with others until they really know him. Number 3, he once told me this little trick he does when he sees a girl looking at him. He smirks for 3 seconds and then looks away. Number 4, he mostly talks to guys when he's out and rarely just goes up and approaches women. Number 5, he's really good at texting, which I'm horrible at. Now, what do I do with this list, Marni? I can't do any of these things. How is this going to help me get women to approach me? To which I responded, if you're not doing any of these things, then that's why women are not approaching you. The 5 things you listed are now your 5 goals to work on for the next 30 days. The truth is that anyone, including you, can do any of these 5 things. They're actually really simple things that all men can easily learn to do. Let's go through one at a time. Number 1, he's really good at talking to people, not just women. He can start conversations with everyone. This simply means he knows how to be open to others and he has practiced the art of conversation, something that can easily be learned by you. In fact, Section 3 of my program, Become a Man Women Want, which you own, is all about how to talk to women and includes guidance on conversation threading and making associations. You can be a great conversationalist in 30 days or less if you practice. On to the next thing. Number 2, he's kind of mysterious. He doesn't really share a lot of details about his life with others until they really know him. This just means that he's selective with whom he shares details about himself with. You can always talk to people, but providing intimate details about who you are and where you come from and what is going on in your life is saved for those that earn it. It's the opposite to what most men do, which is throw up information on women. They tell women everything about themselves rather than following my 75-25 rule, which is that she should be talking 75% of the time and you 25% of the time. In the beginning stages, it's about you leading the conversation, not dominating it. And this creates mystery. Number 3, he once told me this little trick he does when he sees a girl looking at him. He smirks for 3 seconds and then looks away. And I love this one. Basically, he's saying to you that he is confident enough to hold eye contact and then get back to his life, forcing the woman to take action if she really wants an interaction with him to happen. My guess is that after he does this, this woman just so happens to find her way into his sphere so that an approach can easily happen. All right, number 4, he mostly talks to guys when he is out and rarely just goes and approaches women. This means your friend is not out to meet women, but out to enjoy his friends and himself. Do you know how attractive that is? I'm sure you've heard my story about my one-night stand before, where I talk about seeing the guy for the first time. He was out having fun with his guy friends and focusing on enjoying them, not trolling for women. This guy would dance and laugh with his friends, and he was having fun. I had no choice but to approach him after he did number 3 to me 2 times throughout the night. We all know that people who are just having fun are extremely attractive, and you can easily replicate this one by simply just focusing on your own fun and the people around you. Think back to the last restaurant you went to that had a really fun table there, just laughing and enjoying themselves. Didn't you want to be at that table too? That's how the rest of the world thinks. The FOMO principle applies here as well, but with like a little twist. It's called FOMO to whatever, which means fear of missing out on that guy who's having fun because he's awesome. Now, to the last one, number 5. He's really good at texting women, which I'm horrible at. And trust me, when you can do number 1 to number 4, texting will become super easy. And if it's not, I have a wonderful program that can help you hone that skill called the Banter Guide. Here's the thing. My guess is that instead of being open and just enjoying your life, you are out and about all frustrated and expecting women to want to approach you, which is no good for your interactions with women, and you're wasting any and all opportunities that come your way. As I've said numerous times, these 5 things you listed and I explained are all really simple things that you can do and anybody can do. All you need is practice and guidance, which I'm happy to provide. In fact, these 5 things are what I help hundreds of thousands of men learn to do every single day. If you're like Paul and you're fed up and you're frustrated with your results with women, then I can help you. I've put together a free 45-minute video that I know will put a smile on your face, because in that 45 minutes, it will all become crystal clear and the frustrations or lack of confidence you've had with women will disappear. Once you've watched it, I promise you'll be just like Paul's friend who has women approaching him on the regular. These 5 things won't even be a thought for you because you'll naturally do each of them without even thinking about it. To watch this free 45-minute video, just click the link below in the description box or go to winggirlmethod.com. It will take you to my website, and all you have to do is click the big button that says watch the video now, and you will get instant access to the video. Remember, finding the right girl does not have to be so hard when you understand what women really want and how to be the man women want. Let me be your wing girl. Go watch my free 45-minute video now by going to winggirlmethod.com. I'll see you next week.